Every year on August 17, India celebrates National Pharmacology Day, a day to honor the science of medicine and pioneers who shaped it. This day makes the birthday of Sir Colonel Ramnath Chopra. Today, we pay a tribute to the father of Indian pharmacology, whose legacy inspired over 60 medical schools to teach pharmacology as a specialty. Sir Ramnath Chopra was born on August 17, 1882 in Gujranwala, Punjab. Right from young age, Ramnath loved learning about art of healing. He received early education in Jammu and Srinagar and late at Government College, Lahore. At 21, in 1903, he sailed to England to pursue his dreams. At Cambridge University, he worked with Dr. Walter E. Dixon, a renowned British pharmacologist, earning a Cambridge MB, MD, and London MRCP. By 1908, he had joined the Indian Medical Service, ready to bring the ideas back to India. In 1921, Sir Ramnath became the first pharmacology professor at Calcutta School of Tropical Medicine. He turned existing ideas about indigenous plants in modern science. His lab became one of the best in the world, in par with those in England. Young scientists across India joined him, inspired by his energy and his dreams. With his team, he studied plants like Rauwolfia, Isabgula, and Kurchi. In 1933, he found that Rauwolfia could lower blood pressure, which later led to medicine called Riserpin, which was a huge discovery. His books like Indigenous Drugs of India shaped his knowledge with the world. In 1930, he led the Drugs Enquiry Committee, paving the way for reforms such as Drugs Act of 1940 and Pharmacy Act of 1948. His work helped create the Indian Pharmacopoeia, the book listing official medicines. In 1941, after 20 years in School of Tropical Medicine, Calcutta, Dr. Ramnath returned to Jammu and Kashmir to the Drug Research Laboratory and established the Council of Industrial and Scientific Research, what is called CSIR. During his life and career, he was awarded various recognitions and honors. He rose to the Brevet Colonel in Indian Medical Service and awarded the Companion of Indian Empire in 1934, knighthood in 1941, and elected to the Royal College of Physicians, London. On June 13, 1973, Sir Ramnath Chopra passed away in Srinagar at the age of 90. But his legacy and passion lives on and continues to inspire researchers, students, and pharmacologists nationwide.